Create your own snake game in Excel VBA. Entering the main program code. The input mask is created. Now all you need to do is paste the main program code. You'll receive the main code as a Word file via email. The contact email address can be found in the video description. In the VBA editor, double-click the Userform 1 element, then select the entire contents of the editor using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A and delete it. In the Word file, select the entire content using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. This is very important. Be sure to reduce the line spacing, copy the entire content, and paste the copied content into the VBA editor. The second worksheet is to be hidden. The program is finished. This game is an Excel file programmed in VBA. The game is played from a user form. Playing field is 20 × 20 squares. In the beginning, the snake has a yellow head and 4 orange body parts. The snake is supposed to catch the blue rabbit. The rabbit doesn't run away and just waits for snake to catch it. After each captured rabbit, the snake's body becomes 1 box longer and the player receives 1 point. The snake can be up to 299 orange boxes long. The new rabbit appears in a different box. If the new rabbit cannot be seen, the snake should keep moving and the new rabbit will come out. 4 buttons with arrows control the movement of the snake. The direction of the arrow is the direction of movement. The game is started with the Start button. The 4 control buttons will be visible, and the result is no points if the snake leaves the playing field or bites into its own body. The 4 control buttons are hidden, and the game is cancelled.